What you doing, buddy? What you doing? Be gentle, sis. No, Bella, Will Grace, not your choo-choo. Wyatt's playing with them. Give it back to Wyatt. Thank you. Yeah, Wyatt's playing choo-choo.
I gave it to her. I saw she was missing her nose and it is